Okay. Okay. So, Ailene, can you talk about some of the key themes coming out of this year's 2013 TM Forum Management World in Nice?
Absolutely, Jeff. Yes. I guess the key themes were really encapsulated this morning in the keynote session. So if I could start with that, that would be great. The forum, as you know, is an industry organisation made up of all of the players in the digital services ecosystem, and our aim is to enable the emergence of an open digital world, an open digital economy. And when I say all the players, I mean service providers, communication service providers, digital service providers, all of their suppliers and their customers, and in particular enterprises like banks and pharmaceutical companies, and also increasingly M2M operators, M2M application developers, and even healthcare kind of organizations. And we saw all of that spectrum represented this morning on the keynote stage. So critical messages coming out are, how can everybody in that ecosystem work together? How can we build partnerships? How can we address the very, very real challenges and tricky challenges to resolve, which we have to resolve collectively and collaboratively, around things like security, around things like privacy, around things like managing customer experience end-to-end in a partnership environment. And for me, they are the themes that the forum is driving, and they came out loud and clear from our keynoters today.
So how does Frameworx play into those standard interfaces?
Frameworx is a really fantastic foundational piece of material which needs to evolve as the industry evolves, but supports all of those concepts. And in our latest Frameworx release, which was released today, Frameworx 13, we see an ongoing revolution and evolution. We have a new piece of material, a digital services reference architecture, which has come out. A lot of fantastic customer experience management, new material in that area, data analytics, so helping you understand how can you use the wealth of information that you have from all of the various data feeds that you can imagine. How can you use that to better understand what your customer wants and how to deliver the kinds of services that will be good for your business and good for your customer.
Well, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks, Jeff.
So I'm going to come back and ask the second questions. Okay.
That sounds really good.